Little fifth graders, we're going to be learning about the coordinate plane this week. This is something you should be familiar with from fourth grade. The coordinate plane is a two-dimensional system in which the coordinates of a point are described by its distance for two perpendicular number lines. I'm not going to make you memorize that definition, but listen very carefully and I'll give you an easier definition to remember that you will need to know for your test. The coordinate plane is a grid that is created by an x-axis and a y-axis. The coordinate plane is a grid that is created by an x-axis and a y-axis. What you're seeing in that picture right there is a grid. The line on the bottom is the x-axis. The line on the side is a y-axis. We'll get to that in a minute. But all you need to know is those two lines are creating that grid known as a coordinate plane. The x-axis is the horizontal number line in a coordinate plane. Look at the picture. The x-axis is on the bottom. It is a horizontal line. That means it is going from left to right, straight on the bottom, creating a flat line. That is the x-axis. You'll need to know that for your test. The y-axis is the vertical number line in a coordinate plane. Again, look at the picture. The y-axis is on the left and it's going up and down. That is vertical, going straight up and straight down. It is a vertical number line. You'll need to know that for your test. The axes intersect at 0 on the horizontal vertical number lines. This point of intersection is called the origin. Again, look at the picture. See the number 0, where the x-axis and the y-axis begin. That is called the origin. A simple definition to remember for the origin is where the x and y-axis meet. That's the definition you will need to know for your test. An ordered pair is a pair of numbers used to locate a point on a coordinate plane. Look at the picture. The numbers there, 2, 3, they're in parentheses and they're separated by a comma. That is the ordered pair. It gives you the location of a point on a coordinate plane. That is what you'll need to know for your test. The ordered pair gives you the location of a point on a coordinate plane, 2 and 3. Okay, now look at the picture. In order to locate that point, you start at 0 at the origin, 0, 0. You move over to the right 2 places on the x-axis. That gives you the number 2. And then you go up 3 times. Now that gives you the number 3. Therefore, you have the ordered pair of 2, 3. The x-coordinate is the first number in an ordered pair. The x-coordinate describes the distance to travel from the origin to the direction of the x-axis. So, again, in the ordered pair 2, 3, the x-coordinate would be 2 because the x-coordinate is the first number in an ordered pair. You'll need to know that for your test. The y-coordinate is the second number in an ordered pair. The y-coordinate describes the distance to travel from the origin to the direction of the y-axis. So again, on the ordered pair 2, 3, 2 is the x-coordinate because it's the first number in the ordered pair. 3 is the y-coordinate. It is the second number of the ordered pair. You will need to know that for the test. Now, let's try one here. Do you see this X? We have to determine the point on this grid. First, we look how far across the grid the point is. This is on the x-axis. So we see here we went over 2 times. 2 across. Then we look how far up the point is. This is the y-axis. So we went 4 up. We write the x-axis number first, then write the y-axis number. We went across 2, we went up 4. We separate the numbers with a comma. We put brackets, really parentheses, around the coordinates. And that's how you solve these problems. Always start on the bottom at the x-axis and then go up from there. Now let's try. What is the ordered pair for this x, for this point? Say it out loud. You went over 3, you went up 8. So the ordered pair is 3, 8. What about this one? You went over 8 and you went up 3. So the ordered pair is 8, 3. What about this one? You went over 5, you went up 5. So the ordered pair is 5, 5. And this one? You went over 9, you went up 9. So the ordered pair is 9, 9. And this one? You went over 2, you went up 4. So the ordered pair is 2, 4. And this one? You went over 4, you went up 2. So the ordered pair is 4, 2. And this one, now this one may be tricky. You went over 0 and you went up 8. So the ordered pair is 0, 8. What about this one? You went over 10 and you went up 6. So the ordered pair is 10, 6. And this one. You went over 2 and you went up 2. So the ordered pair is 2, 2. And this one. You went over 6, you went up 9. So the ordered pair is 6, 9. Last but not least, I want that steak. Have a nice day.